Imagine a single car model selling so fast that it outpaces every gas-powered vehicle, hybrid, and electric competitor on the planet. In 2023, the Tesla Model Y did the unthinkable by selling over 1.2 million units globally, officially dethroning the legendary Toyota Corolla. It was a historic milestone, marking the first time an electric vehicle captured the global sales crown. Even looking through recent data, the Model Y remains an absolute juggernaut, dominating EV sales charts from the UK to California. But behind these eye-popping sales figures, a massive contradiction is brewing. While millions of drivers swear it is the best car ever made, a wave of real-world ownership data reveals a very different story. Depending on how and where you drive, the Model Y might actually be the worst choice for a new car in America today. To understand how we got here, we have to look past the hype and dive into the mechanics, history, and raw data of this automotive paradox. Section 1: The Origin and Rise to Power. To truly comprehend the Model Y's fame, you have to look back at Tesla's foundational history. When Elon Musk unveiled his master plan in 2006, the goal was simple yet audacious. The strategy was to build a high-priced sports car and use that money to fund progressively cheaper mass-market vehicles. That ultimate mass-market vehicle was supposed to be the Model 3 sedan, which launched in 2017 and quickly became an absolute sales phenomenon. But Tesla noticed a massive cultural shift happening simultaneously, especially across North America. Buyers were abandoning traditional sedans in droves, opting instead for high-riding compact crossovers and utility vehicles. Enter the Model Y, unveiled in February 2019 and entering mass production in early 2020. Built on the exact same platform as the Model 3, it cleverly shared roughly 75% of its components to keep manufacturing fast. The Model Y was a packaging masterpiece that gave the public exactly what they wanted. It provided the efficiency and tech of a sedan, but added an elevated seating position and a cavernous 2,138 liters of total cargo space. Section 2: Why it is the best choice. There is a reason the Model Y became universally famous, and it comes down to sheer, unadulterated value. From a performance standpoint, even the entry-level configurations offer instant electric torque. The car launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a way that embarrasses traditional gas crossovers costing twice as much. But the real secret weapon of the Model Y is Tesla's proprietary supercharger network. With over 7,000 stations globally spanning dozens of countries, charging a Model Y on a road trip is entirely seamless. You plug the car in, it automatically handles billing, and within 20 minutes you are back on the road. Competitors from Ford, Hyundai, and Volkswagen are still forcing drivers to grapple with broken third-party chargers and confusing mobile apps. Furthermore, Tesla's constant, over-the-air software updates mean the car literally gets better over time. Features like Sentry Mode use the car's external cameras to record potential vandals while you are away. The integration of advanced driver assistance tech like full self-driving offers an iPhone-like ecosystem that traditional legacy automakers simply cannot replicate. Section 3: The Dark Side of the Data. However, the glittering sales accomplishments hide some deeply alarming data regarding what happens after you take the car home. In Germany's prestigious TÜV report, which evaluates serious mechanical defects across millions of vehicles, the Tesla Model Y finished dead last for reliability among nearly new cars. A staggering 17.3% of 2 to 3-year-old Model Ys completely failed their mandatory safety inspections. That is nearly 3 times the industry average failure rate for modern automobiles. The culprits aren't the high-tech batteries or electric motors, they are basic mechanical components. Because the Model Y is an incredibly heavy vehicle packed with massive battery packs, its axle suspension and steering joints wear out at an alarming rate. Additionally, because electric cars rely primarily on regenerative braking to slow down, the physical metal brake discs rarely get used. This lack of use causes the traditional brakes to severely corrode and rust over time, leading to sudden braking degradation. Section 4: Why it is not the best choice in America. This brings us to the core dilemma. why the Model Y is increasingly becoming the wrong choice for the average American driver. First, America's infrastructure is vastly different from Europe or urban Asia. In the vast stretches of rural and suburban America, highway infrastructure is rugged and poorly maintained. The Model Y features an incredibly stiff, unforgiving suspension system designed for smooth European highways. Over American potholes and cracked asphalt, the ride quality can feel brutally harsh and jarring. Second, Tesla's radical cost-cutting decisions have severely compromised basic human ergonomics. To save pennies during manufacturing, Tesla removed traditional physical controls. While the recent Juniper refresh thankfully kept the turn signal stocks, other models have completely removed them, forcing drivers to use annoying steering wheel buttons. Even shifting from drive to reverse is now done by sliding your finger across the center touchscreen. If that screen freezes while you are trying to maneuver a busy American parking lot, you are left entirely stranded. Furthermore, America is currently experiencing an explosion of viable alternatives. The competitive landscape is no longer a monopoly. Hyundai's Ioniq 5, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, and a wave of highly efficient plug-in hybrids provide softer rides and traditional tactile buttons. They also offer seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, two incredibly popular features that Tesla strictly bans from its ecosystem. Insurance rates for Teslas in America have also skyrocketed. Because of Tesla's unique cast aluminum structural designs, even a minor fender bender can cost thousands of dollars to fix. This causes insurance companies to declare the vehicle a total loss over relatively minor cosmetic accidents. The verdict. Ultimately, the Tesla Model Y is a technological marvel that fundamentally altered the course of automotive history. It earned its fame by proving that an electric vehicle could be practical, wildly fast, and globally desired. If you live in an area with great roads, love cutting-edge software, and plan to maximize the unmatched supercharger network, it remains an incredibly compelling machine. But as the American market matures, buyers are starting to realize that a car needs to be more than just a rolling computer. It needs mechanical durability, accessible physical controls, a comfortable ride, and affordable long-term maintenance. The Model Y conquered the world by being the ultimate tech product, but its future survival in America will depend entirely on whether it can finally become a truly great automobile.